Hello everyone, hoping you're all doing well. Welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Today I have a new recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious coconut fried rice. Stay with me and let's get started. I'm going to begin by cooking my coconut rice. Now for that, I'm going to use 2 tinned coconut milk, and I'm just going to add the coconut milk to a pot. Next, I will add a little bit of curry powder. The curry powder is just going to give this coconut rice some color, and I will also go ahead and add aromat seasoning. If you don't have aromat seasoning, you can certainly use salt. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together well to ensure that the curry powder, the aromat and the coconut milk is well combined. Next, I'm going to wash my rice and add my washed rice to the coconut milk, and then I'll mix everything together. I will cover and allow this rice to fully cook. The coconut rice is ready, and guys, oh my goodness, this smells incredible. I just love the smell of coconut. It just makes everything better. Also, the curry powder has given this rice this beautiful color. I've placed the rice in a bowl and I'm just going to set this aside to allow the rice to cool completely. Whilst the rice is cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and season my meat, which I'll be using for this coconut fried rice. I'll start by seasoning the chicken breast, which I purchased from my local supermarket, and when I purchased it, it was chicken breast strips. So I didn't need to do anything by cutting the chicken breast, it was already cut. All I had to do was clean and add my preferred seasonings of choice. Once I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together well. Next, I'll set this aside for later use. Now time to season the beef, and I'm using diced beef. I purchased this from my local supermarket, and when I bought it, the beef was already diced, so I didn't need to cut it or anything. All I had to do was clean it, and now I am adding my seasonings of choice. Feel free to season your chicken and beef using your preferred seasonings of choice, and of course guys, feel free to use any type of meat in this coconut fried rice. I'm now going to mix everything together to ensure that the beef is well coated in the seasonings. Now time to start making this coconut fried rice, and to begin I'm going to add coconut oil to my wok, and I'm just going to allow the coconut oil to completely melt. Once the coconut oil has melted, I'm going to add my seasoned diced beef, and next I'm just going to ensure that the beef cooks on low to medium heat until it browns nicely. At this point, my beef has browned nicely and I'm very happy with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the chicken to the beef, and I'm just going to make sure that the chicken also browns beautifully. And I'm doing this on low to medium heat. And at this point, the chicken and the beef have browned together really nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from my wok. I'll set this aside for later use. To the same wok and oil, I've just added some diced onions and I'm mixing everything together. I'm just going to allow the onions to fry on low to medium heat until it is nice and fragrant. And as the onions is nice and fragrant, I've just added some diced carrots. I'm just going to mix everything together and ensure that the carrot sautés for 2 minutes. Carrot is a bit crunchy, so I just wanted it to soften before I add my rice. And now I'm going to add my cooked rice, which has cooled down completely. Next, I'm going to mix everything together well. As I've mixed everything together well, now I'm going to add my bell peppers. I'm using red, green and yellow bell peppers, and I'm going to continue to mix everything together. Guys, this coconut rice looks amazing and it smells incredible. You have to make this for your friends and family, and I promise you they will love it. Now, time to add my fried chicken and beef. I will also add cooked prawns and I will just mix everything together. And I know you can hear the excitement in my voice because, as always, there's gonna be a party. Continue to mix everything together, and at this point, whilst you're mixing, take your time, don't rush, because this food is going to taste incredible. As always, don't forget to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Guys, the coconut fried rice is ready. It smells amazing, it looks amazing. I don't know about you, but I cannot wait to enjoy. So to finish everything off, I'm just going to add some spring onions. I'll mix everything together and it's time to just enjoy this. As always, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Please like this video, share and comment below. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy your delicious coconut fried rice. Bye.